everything.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for north central Monroe County in southeastern Michigan until 12:45 a.m. At 11:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Monroe, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near, maybe around 12:15 a.m. Carlton around 12:25 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Schofield. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. Wednesday for the following county: Monroe, Michigan. Here is the